Hello, I'm in a 2015 Ford Fusion. It's demonstrated to add coolant. So first you open the hood and then make sure the vehicle's turned off and cooled down. You don't want to work with the system while it's hot, since liquid works on a pressurized system. It can get to a boil. You don't want a bunch of boiling poison to spray out onto you by accident. And on the side, you've got a max line and a minimum. So you want it pretty close to the max, but not all the way full, because there's supposed to be some air gap. And then I check your owner's manual or a good online source that you've got the best coolant type for your make and model. And typically, too, you also want to match the same color and type of coolant that's already in here. Better not to mix and match. When you're ready, just unscrew this top. And then with the funnel or straight from your diluted coolant jug, just fill as needed till you're on your max line. Screw this back on nice and tight when you're done. And then at this point, I would probably start the vehicle, circulate the new coolant for a few minutes through all of the engine. And while it's doing that, I would check around your engine bay, look around all the lines, the radiator, under the car, see if you see any liquid puddling. If you do, and it's coolant, that would be an indicator that's an area you might need to repair or replace something. And a way to tell that apart from water condensation is the coolant will have a slight coloration to it. It should smell slightly sweet. And you don't really want it on your skin, but say you have a glove on and feel it, it'll feel slightly slick compared to water. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.